Okay, sorry, ran out of time on my other video. So we're almost done with the chapter 5, and we're going to start here at Charlotte. It says, Charlotte stood quietly over the fly, preparing to eat it. Wilbur lay down and closed his eyes. He was tired from his wakeful night and from the excitement of meeting someone for the first time. A breeze brought him the smell of clover, the sweet-smelling world beyond his face. Well, he thought, I've got a new friend, all right, but what a gamble friendship is. Charlotte is fierce, brutal, scheming, bloodthirsty, everything I don't like. How can I learn to like her, even though she is pretty and, of course, clever? Wilbur was merely suffering the doubts and fears that often go with finding a new friend. In good time, he was to discover that he was mistaken about Charlotte. Underneath her rather bold and cruel exterior, she had a kind heart, and she was to prove loyal and true to the very end. So, guys, what I want you to do is I want to think about a friend that you met and maybe the first time you met them and how you felt about them. And in the comments below, share about a time that you met someone new and how maybe you didn't like them at first, but you grew to like them, and or maybe you loved them at first. I want to hear about a time that you made a new friend. Okay, so Wilbur's new friend in our book, Charlotte's Web, is a spider named what? Charlotte. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you saw the end this video. See you later.